Okay, good morning YouTube. It's a new day. Today we left off with the throttle cable. That one's installed. Pretty good, just fine. And the thing we're going to do today is the shop told me this sprocket was too small, and that could have been one of the issues why it exploded. So he told me to look if my chain can go over a sprocket with like 1 or 2 teeth more. So I needed to pull my axle back like this and see how much play I still have, if I can do it with the chain I have or if I need a new one, a longer one. So while watching or looking how to put the axle back, normally you stick some screwdriver in here or something and just click it forward with the wheels. But this is aftermarket, I see, and I can't do that anymore because this is like too big. Normally it's like this wide and this wide, so you can put something through it, but I cannot. So I will need to manually with a wrench pull this forward and hope that works. So yeah, another problem. It is working, but it's not ideal. Could this be the maximum? All of the metal is coming loose. It's just complete ass. Well, I'm glad it came loose with the wrench, because otherwise I didn't know what I would have done. So that one's mostly forward, but now I have another problem. I forgot my chain at the shop while I was there, so I can test if it's good or not. So yeah, another issue. So I think I will need to do something else now. Probably do the wiring or something, or clutch cable. Yeah, something like that.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing.
Yeah, so I tried to make a time lapse, but that didn't work fully because I needed to watch a lot of videos back where the cables went. I think it's approximately good. Maybe this will need to be addressed a bit more. But I needed to watch all of the videos where the cables went and how they went and under this and over that. So that's why it was a short time lapse and not a full one. But yeah, after also all of this is connected now. This is for the tank. I'm not fully done yet, but the most is in place. And yeah, let's go ahead now and do probably this box right here, so we can put up this connection and see where these need to go. Okay, so it's been a couple of hours. I did something else and it's raining heavy. Well, it's not raining that heavy right now, but it did rain very heavily. So off camera I did a bit of the cable things. I will cut this off and then lay it nicely. But now we will continue with probably putting in this box right here, the battery box, and then the air filter and the fuel cell, and last that one. Or first, I don't know. I also have my chain back, so we can put the chain on. Yeah, hopefully we can do this today. I doubt it, but we'll try. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so next up is the starter cable. We're gonna connect it back again. Should have done this without the throttle body connected, but it is what it is now. This is just fine. Perfect. Alright, so we will do the battery box next. Let's go. This one needs to be up here and then go through the battery box. This was very annoying last time. Hopefully it will be faster now.
Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are. Mysterious,
just got the battery box in, and as you can hear, the rain started pouring again. Yeah, it's not too nice outside, so I don't know how the quality will be from the audio, but we'll do as much in time-lapse as possible, so it's not too boring to watch after.
Maybe you should take it slow.
Oh yeah, right. Also, I had some of these like zip ties, clips, things broken off, so I got some other ones that I had from myself and put one over there and another one over there. So those are all in place, and just need to figure out where this one goes from the rear brakes, and that's, well, not everything from the cables because there are cables on the floor, but everything from the harness over here is done. Then also airbox is done. So next up we will be bolting back this piece right here. Don't exactly know how it went on, but we'll figure it out. Oh, also forgot this one on the airbox. Forgot a little pipe, but that's okay now. Isn't it something like this? Above the number plate? Yeah. And then something like this. So we pull all of these up, and then we do it like this. And then we see where everything is blocked. And then it will be something like this. But this is very odd that only one bolt is holding this into place. I mean, you have the tabs at the back, but it's holding onto these tabs, but also holding on this bolt right here, but the bolt is too small. So we'll need to figure that out. This was the pipe I was referring to that I didn't connect yet. Maybe this cable will need to be inside or something. I'll have a look into that. I think it's from the starter. I think it should be running through here and not through there. I'll look into it. Okay, so I got a bolt in instead of the bolt and the nut or whatever it was. And as I was tightening this one, I noticed, as you could have expected, there is a bolt over here, which didn't have a bolt. So we need one over there. I used already a lot of bolts from the plastics around, so I will need new bolts, but that's the least of problems. Quick update. I had to take out everything again because of one stupid thing. This connector right here is somehow disappeared. To put it back together, I don't know where the other one is to connect it to. I disassembled everything, took everything out, and I just can't seem to find it anywhere. We looked with 3 people, looked for 2 hours. It's just gone, and I can't really explain it how or what happened, but yeah, we looked for 2 hours. It's just disappeared. I don't know how that can happen. It's not even logical or something. It's just poof, magic, you know, but it's just shit. So because of that, I have no rear light or brake light, number plate, lightning, because there won't be this is the power for the lights at the back, so nothing will get power because of that stupid ass connector. So what I'm doing right now is looking which cable comes from the command right here. I already looked at, it's like those two that come out of the command, and the brown wire is like the plus from the battery. So yeah, looking for a solution, but this won't be done today, sadly.
Several days later.
Yeah, so I did not make any recordings of what I did of the last things because I have a big problem with the electricity. My lights don't work anymore, and there's one connector just said skadoosh, I'm out. So I am missing a connector from the harness. It's just disappeared, and yeah, that's why this isn't done yet. But off camera I did the exhaust. I just did that. I mounted the new thingy over here, the reservoir, and I have some new mounts, but those will need to be bolted down. And now I will do the clutch cable. I also did the chain already. I hope this connection is good. yeah, I don't know. And if it falls off, it falls off. I don't care anymore. It's just complete shite. So yeah, that's what I did off camera. And I didn't film it because I am always home late because I have a new job now. And yeah, I'm very late home always. It's always like 8 p.m. or something. And I need to start again over the next day at 4. So I don't have a lot of spare time. And when I do, I just mount everything, but I'm not bothered to put the camera up or anything, so that's why it's not on film. So yeah, that's that. And now I'm waiting for a friend to come help me with the electricity, why it doesn't work anymore. So yeah, fingers crossed that he can help me. Otherwise I don't know what to do, because I tried like everything, and yeah, I don't know how the connector just disappeared, but it did. So yeah. Okay, so while editing the video, I saw that I didn't have an outro filmed, so I'm doing one right now. Reason for that is because all of the videos are filmed in different days, so yeah, that's why there is no outro, because I don't think it will be the end of the video when I'm filming it. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed this video, and normally in the next one we will start up the quad, hopefully. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.